Daisy's so great. I already feel 10 times better. Who knows? Maybe in a couple weeks' time, me and Daisy will be together, holding hands, going on dates. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna make the most of today.
Every day, I imagine a future where I can be with you! Look what I've got! Rectangle!
You stupid.
Whoa, no way! How'd you get these two so fast?
Did he murder a family of 4? I bet he murdered a family of 4.
While you two were prattling on about weird 2D girl games.
Huh, shows what you know. They're called visual novels, actually.
I'm an adult virgin.
Hey Jake, I'm Liam.
You know I used to be in 1D, got my free.
And that's Henry. He likes anime dating games.
I'm not gay, but damn, you're good looking, bro.
You don't have to be gay to appreciate a man's beauty.
Nah, bro, I'd fuck you.
Okay, never mind.
Hey, do you have all those Lettuce Chan cosplays?
I fell in love with an emo girl. I'm in love with an emo girl.
Didn't I?
Oh, Jake! I'm so glad you're coming. We've got to do this TikTok trend together.
No!
It's called Two Best Friends in a Room. They might kiss, though you don't actually kiss me.
Oh, thank God.
Haley, you were right. I do need to decide for myself. I think No, I will stay in the club. And I'll talk to Drew today. And I'll fix everything. Whatever they're using me for, I'm not gonna let them get in my way. Heck, Haley can't even sing without me because of her stupid stage fright. They should have known from the moment I joined that I wouldn't be a music freak.
Roll credits.
No, you were right, Haley. I've been a bad friend. They should be grateful that I joined him in the first place. I shouldn't just stand by and let those guys talk to you like that. Heck, Haley can't even sing without me because of her stupid stage fright. I want to try better.
They should have known from the moment I joined that I wouldn't be a music freak.
No, don't pull!
Hey, what happened?
Who cut you, Jake?
Damn!
I thought you were a friend.
Maybe this will refresh your memory.
Ocean man, take me by the hand, lead me to the land. That's you.
Sister.
Stay away from us.